Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening YouTube TV and going straight to Live or Guide. This displays the channel grid you need. Once signed in, select the Guide tab so channels and time slots populate. If your device prompt asks to update, accept it. Outdated apps can hide features. Make sure your internet is stable. Slow connections delay the channel list. If the grid is blank, sign out and back in to refresh your account data and force the guide to reload. Once the guide is visible, navigate by scrolling horizontally for time and vertically for channels. This lets you see what's playing now and next. Use the filter or search field to narrow to sports, news, or a particular channel name. Filters speed discovery when the grid is large. To streamline future use, mark channels as favorites or pin them. This moves them higher in your guide. If you prefer numbers, type the channel number on remotes that support it. To finish, pick a program from the guide to view its description, set a reminder, or tune in. Once satisfied, make sure your favorites and recordings reflect the changes you made so the guide stays personalized. If channels are missing or wrong, clear the app cache and restart the device. That often fixes stale data. If problems persist, gather a screenshot, note your account email and device, and contact support. They can refresh your account map from the server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.